Huawei is rolling out the EMUI 9.1 update for the Honor 10 Lite and the Honor 20i smartphones. The Honor 20i was recently launched in India. The update brings GPU Turbo 3.0, the ability to set up video ringtones for select contacts, and ability to trigger voice assistant by long pressing the power button. The EMUI 9.1 update is currently rolling out in China, but it should make its way to other regions soon. It is an OTA update and users can check manually for an update in the settings menu if you haven't received a notification yet. I will be giving an updated video down in the description below. I'll be giving a link to that video if this update starts to roll out in other regions as well. Huawei took to Weibo to announce EMUI 9.1 update rolling out for these two devices. With this, there's also the ability to activate the voice assistant if you press the power button. Moving on, these two devices are budget or mid-range devices, and users are recommended to download this update on a good Wi-Fi network. To recall, the Honor 20i was launched back in April and arrived in India earlier this month, and carries a price tag of 15,000 rupees for the 4GB plus 128GB internal ROM variant and is sold exclusively via Flipkart. The key features include a 6.21-inch display, Kirin 710 SoC, and up to 8GB RAM, triple rear camera setup, and a 3400 mAh battery. It's nice to see that Honor is still giving updates to even its mid-range and budget devices, especially after the fact that after probably August 19, Honor devices may not be able to receive any security patches or any other updates because of USA's restrictions placed on Huawei and American companies to trade with each other. The Honor 10 Lite was launched in China last year and arrived in India in January this year. The phone is priced starting at 12,000 rupees and has similar specifications like the 6.21-inch display, Kirin 710 SoC, and 3400 mAh battery. EMUI 9.1 is rolling out to a host of Huawei phones, and the company even released a timeline for the update rollout to 19 phones. The Mate 20 series is also set to get the update this week. For more such videos, do subscribe to my channel and also comment whether you like this video or dislike this video, and let me know what are your thoughts about Honor and their future in terms of Android upgrades. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. I'll see you in my next video.